Make cash by watching YouTube videos. Imagine this. By tuning into just one YouTube video, you're pocketing $3. Double that and you're looking at a cool $6. Now, if you're down to watch 10 videos, you're in for a repeating payday of $30 each time. In today's video, I'm spilling the beans on top of two platforms that are literally paying folks to watch YouTube videos, just like the one you're checking out right now.
And hey, take a peek at this smooth $103 PayPal payment I received for kicking back and watching videos on the platforms I'm about to show you.
Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Case in point, this here YouTube video is one of the ones I actually got paid to watch. It's a breeze. Tap to play, let it roll. Stick around for about 20 seconds to snag the max points,
which can be swapped for real greenbacks.
Ready to dive in? Start by cruising over to quickrewards.net. This legit spot's been on the scene since 2002, dishing out over $7 million to its crew. Trustworthy and time-tested, this is where you can earn real money by just watching videos. Getting in the game. Creating an account's as easy as sharing your email and setting up a password. Give the terms of service a nod and verify your email. That's your ticket in. Once you're logged in, say hello to your dashboard. Navigating Quick Rewards. Here's the scoop on how to pile up that dough. Quick Rewards dishes out a bunch of options like surveys, games, and videos. But today, we're zeroing in on cashing in by watching YouTube vids. Head to the Videos tab. From there, you've got a choice. Either hit up loot.tv, watch videos, or ads and videos. Loot TV is your ticket to video and ad watching. Opt for ads and videos and dive into those YouTube gems for some coin. Take your pick, give it a watch, and boom! Money in the bank. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Swagbox, another winning option. Here's another ace in the hole, Swagbox. Pop over to swagbox.com or run a search. Swagbox hooks you up with gift cards like Amazon, PayPal, and more. It's a solid pick, boasting over 34,000 thumbs up on Trustpilot. To jump in, use your email, set up a password, and punch in the rest of your info. As a welcome treat, you're snagging a free $1 bonus. On Swagbox's dashboard, click Discover, then tap Discover Home. Swing by Sponsored Offers, and then hit up Ads and Media. Here, you're watching YouTube vids from all sorts of genres and making money while you're at it. Max out with referrals. Feeling ambitious? Boost those earnings by reeling in friends. Grab your referral link from the Referrals Corner. Scoop out Facebook groups that chat about making money online. Aim for the ones packing a punch with members, usually 50K and up. Toss your referral link in the mix and get chatting. You can even throw in screenshots of your earnings to rev up the convo. And there you have it, the play-by-play to rake in cash just by watching YouTube videos. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!